Welcome aboard a journey towards transformation at Mount Olive's Outbound Training and Leadership Development Institute. Our 5-acre facility, located near Vandalur, Chennai, hosts nature-inspired challenges meticulously crafted to assist organizations in achieving their business objectives. Mount Olive is a collaborative effort of veterans from the Indian Armed Forces and Industrial Human Resources, bringing real-time, hands-on expertise. We help you discover the power of learning and organizational development beyond cubicles and boardrooms. Our experiential and outbound training activities aim to bring together individuals from across organizational levels and motivate them to work effectively as one focused team. At Mount Olive, we understand the challenges of HR professionals and offer solutions that boost employee morale, enhance team building, and foster leadership development. Since our inception in 2014, we have successfully completed hundreds of batches for a multitude of organizations, including the top 50 global and Indian companies. We invite you to step out of the ordinary and into our extraordinary training experience. Come, unleash the true potential of your people and transform your business aspirations into tangible achievements. Welcome to Mount Olive OBT Leadership Development Institute, your trusted training partner.